Hi all, I made an outline for regarding your presentation in the academy activity. I thought it's better to talk than writing lots of things that you may forget, or you may not go through the details. This is regarding your presentation. So as you're going to present your work in the academic activity, we have at least four groups that they are going to present from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. First of all, make sure that your videos are working properly. You have finalized your video, and I just recommend this to be like below 5 minutes preferably, so that you can repeat it while guys are walking around. They see like big portion of your process. If your video is too long, then they may miss it. So it's a good idea, but even if your video is like 10 minutes or more, that's gonna be fine. But keep it in mind that around 5 minutes may give more chance for the visibility of your work. No poster is needed. The second thing is I wrote to make sure to be on time, of course. In your allocated place, you go um, to the I forgot the name is Opera House. You will be directed to your place. Please, as soon as you get there, set up your work. Of course, you have your mold and your final model, the initial model, um, and you present and do not leave before the next group is coming. They're setting up their presentation ready to set. Then you can leave. Okay. Uh, Maximum, make sure there are two of your group, each group presenting a time. So make sure one or two of you of each group is always present there during the allocated time. Uh, as soon as someone comes to you or approaches to you, think of 30 seconds to max 1 minute of presentation. This 30 seconds to 1 minute, you start from the importance of composite materials. They are being used in modern uh, top-notch devices like cars, racing cars, marine boats, airplane, and space. So very fast about importance, like 5 seconds. Then tell that your idea is exploring composite material, which is like a new modern material that has been recently developed a lot in material science and engineering, used a lot in different fields of engineering, and tell them that you started from developing a simple model like a plate. It was in the last semester, it was just a plate composite material made of a plate made of composite material, and now we are changing into a curved parts helmet as an example, and we are trying to develop this in future. uh, Talk about the fact the whole process of your making composite, which is starting from the main model, helmet model, and then you make the mold, and then you make the fabricated helmet. Tell them that there are two groups involved because it's actually two different projects aligned to each other. Okay, this should be these items should be addressed in 30 seconds to 1 minute. Finish it up. If the guy is staying there, there are more time, then go to, so if there is any question after that, go to the capabilities. Okay, the whole idea is that later this work can be developed into the idea of making the body of student race cars and the clubs, the body of the the car. So you can talk about that. You can talk a lot about the failure. You started from lots of failed items, and you try to get some ports from yourself, studying, going through the videos, resources, asking different people, and being in contact with different groups with me, and you finally manage to overcome those failure. Uh, and tell about that this experience is, if I'm not, it's like first time that students in Kuwait are doing. So this is a great idea. But after that 30 second to 1 minute is done, if the guy is staying there, if you want to talk, you can talk about these things. I think generally this can be a successful presentation in the academic activity if you follow these points. Thank you.